Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to the another edition of the Market Preview. I am your host Vasily, professional trading coach and forex trader. And you know what is funny about trading full time? While many people are now on the quarantine and they are objecting about how it's terrible to sit at home, how it's difficult to change your life from going to work to actually sitting at home and working from home. When quarantine started, when the government announced that, now we sit at home, nothing changed. It's like I look at my friends and see how difficult for them it is to make these changes, and trading full time, same thing, sitting at home, watching charts. Now it's just the quarantine and the girlfriend sitting at home as well. The only terrible thing, I would say. So for today, I have prepared for you 3 financial instruments to discuss. We will discuss first of all euro dollar. I have 2 very interesting scenarios to discuss with you. Then gold and S&P 500 index. And guys, remember, here we apply just technical analysis. Just technical tools, no fundamentals. I teach you my reasoning and how do I apply technical analysis in making predictions, yes? And don't forget to like this video and as always to subscribe, yes? So let's start and go to the charts. If you have been watching euro dollar and pound dollar this week, I think you have noticed this swings to the downside and to the upside. The market is truly very volatile. It is so impulsive, and yes, I know for many of you it's difficult to trade it, and yes, I realize how difficult for the newbies right now to follow the market. But guys, it is a perfect experience for you. With this terrible conditions, this is the best way for you to learn, because it is the hardest conditions, and if you learn how to survive in these conditions, you will truly make it trading the calm and normal market, yes? So on the euro dollar, next week, pay attention to this channel right here. I'm now on the 3 days chart, and here we have with you a perfect parallel channel over here. Yes, this is the major channel, and you can see that on Friday the market reached the resistance of this channel. Yes, we have a perfect touch of the resistance of the channel. So guys, attention here. I think that the market may break it to the upside. It may go higher. And the reason is simple. Look like the market broke it just recently. Just how easy it violated its boundaries and went higher. I think market participants right now see that this level is not strong enough, and many traders just would not trade from this level, would not sell from this level. So remember, chances are high that we can break to the upside, but still this resistance is very important. Still this resistance, this channel is very important. And on the lower time frame, I will show you how can we trade it in the both direction. How can we trade the breakout of this channel, and how we can identify the respect of this resistance and the rally to the downside. Yes, so now let's go to the lower time frame. Now I switch to the daily chart, and on the daily chart, what you should really pay attention here is the horizontal structure. Not only the resistance of the channel, but the structure on the left. Here, if we look left, we have a very decent level of resistance right here. Yes, we have a very wide area of resistance over here. And for us, this resistance right here will be the kill zone. The kill zone and the potential reversal zone for the market, yes? I adjust the lower boundary of the potential reversal zone to the resistance of the channel. And higher boundary is this horizontal resistance right here, yeah? So this is our potential reversal zone. And here, if the market will go lower, this is the zone from where it can drop. Yes, so within this zone we expect the market to drop because the trend is still bearish and this is a very strong area, so we expect the market to drop from this level, and within this area we are looking for the confirmation signal. If the market goes higher, if the market breaks and closes above this zone, then we can look for a long trade. So for a long trade, look for conditions like that. Let the market violate the zone, yes, then set the limit order, buy limit order, and aim at this structure high right here. Yes, this will be a perfect goal for you for the long trade. Yes. Now, if we talk about a short trade, it is quite more complicated to correctly catch a short trade right here, and here we need to go even to the lower time frame, to 1 hour chart, and pay attention to details there. So 1 hour chart, why 1 hour chart is important for us right here is that because on 1 hour chart we can identify a rising channel within the major channel on the 3 days chart. Yes, so here you can clearly notice this parallel rising channel, this quite wide channel within which the market was trading the entire week. Yes, and now you see that the market also testing the resistance of the channel, not only the resistance of the major channel but also the resistance of this channel. So here is our wide potential reversal zone, and we will let the market trade within the channel until it breaks to the downside. So if we are planning with you to catch the short trade, if we want to short euro dollar with high accuracy, the best option for us here is to wait for the bearish breakout of this major channel. Oh, sorry, this minor channel right here. So we will be waiting for the breakout of the channel, and I don't know exactly from which point the breakout may happen. It may happen from each point within this potential reversal zone, within this range right here. But once it breaks, for us it gives a perfect signal to short euro dollar, expecting the drop to the current structure low. Yes, and trading these channels, it is very easy to adjust your stops. You stop just going above the highest point in the channel, and you just trail stop once the market goes at least 150 pips. So kind of easy and reasonable approach here to follow. Yes, wait for the confirmation, let the market break the channel and then short. If the market goes higher, if it violates our potential reversal zone, then we buy the market on pullback, expecting the bullish continuation. So you see, it doesn't matter for us where the market really goes. We can trade it in both directions. The only thing that is required, rules and system that works and that we trust. Yeah. So let's pay attention to euro dollar, and updates for that I will post in my Telegram channel and on TradingView, Twitter, everywhere. If you want to follow me there, the links will be in the description below. Yeah. So now let's go to some other charts. Now I'm on the S&P 500 index, and here I want to show you the long trade that I took on this financial instrument. And what is funny about that, I posted this trade in the stocks trading channel that I also ran. And here, what is funny is that once I posted this idea, I was so criticized by going against the trend right here, by not respecting the fundamental conditions, and yeah, I'm just doing crazy things. But guys, it doesn't matter what are the fundamental conditions, we have the channel breakout, and for me the channel breakout is much more important than the fundamental conditions itself. So I bought the retest of the breakout of the channel of this horizontal structure right here. And yes, very good winner right here, almost 2-to-1 risk to reward. And yeah, very good counter trend trading setup. Also next week, follow S&P 500 index, because right now, what we can see with you right here, the market is forming a classic bearish flag formation. Yes, the market started to slow down. The rising momentum is slowing down, and be prepared for the breakout of this flag. Once the market breaks this flag to the downside, most likely the current lows will be retested, and then the market may go even lower. Yes, so pay attention to this flag, follow it. I don't know whether it will break from here or it may make one more leg to the upside. I don't know. But pay attention to the breakout of this flag, and once it breaks, feel free to short. It will be the trend following short based on the current conditions. Even the fundamentals will support this short, yes. And aim at the current low, and then who knows, guys, the chances are very high to catch a very good winner. Yeah, so pay attention. Now let's talk about gold. What about gold? I think this is the most frequently asked question this year. I don't know why, but from January, everyone is so impressed by gold and everyone wants to trade that. I don't really know why, but let's talk about that. And guys, I think if you followed gold chart this week, you notice how weird the chart looks like with this wicks, with this weird candles. Something is wrong here. And here is very simple rule for you. Once you see such kind of weird chart, just not trade it at all. Just truly trust my experience. It means that something is wrong here. So it is reasonable to wait until the market will stabilize, until it will look normally and candles will have this normal appearance. For now, it's like the high frequency trading chart. It's so weird, and I am really scared to even enter. Best option here remains the same. Here we have the range, the indecision range, quite wide range. And this range is the trigger for you. Let the market trade within the range. Follow the market within the range and wait for a breakout of that. Not this small candle just little bit violating its boundary. Wait for a strong candle, for a strong movement to the upside or to the downside. Let me make it black. Or upside or to the downside. Let it break it. Don't force the breakout. Only the strong candle. The candle should clearly close and it should not have this weird appearance. I would also suggest that it's even better if you let the 4-hour candle close below the range or above the range, not even 1 hour. So gold looks very strange, and once it's strange, to avoid occasional losses, it's just better not to trade at all. Let's see how it unfolds next week. Maybe it will return to its normal conditions, but who knows, guys? With this current economic conditions, with all this stuff, difficult to say. I really expected that it will just easily go higher to 1700 levels, but yeah, this stagnation here is very strange. And if you think that there is something strange with gold right here, if you have some reason behind that, please feel free to express in comments. I really want to know if there is any reason for this strange price fluctuations right here. Yeah. So Sometimes it's just better not to trade. If you want to trade full time, learn to wait, learn to be patient and wait for a good confirmed setup. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much for being here. Enjoy your weekend. If you have any question, feel free to write your question in the comment section or just contact me in some social networks. Links in the description below. Also, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. And I will see you next week, and good luck guys.